Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best kid science experiments is probably one of the most exciting and educational ways to keep young minds engaged and curious, offering a hands-on approach to learning that transforms abstract scientific concepts into tangible, memorable experiences, fostering a love for discovery and critical thinking right from an early age, making it an invaluable tool for both fun and development. Number 5. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Ignite your child's curiosity with this massive science kit. It's packed with over 15 exciting experiments that make learning fun and engaging. Discover the magic of science through thrilling activities like creating water tornadoes, erupting volcanoes, and growing dazzling crystals. It's a journey into the heart of our planet. With enough activities for everyone, this kit is perfect for sharing. Enjoy the thrill of scientific discovery together with family and friends. Our detailed learning guide explains the science behind each experiment. It helps children build a lasting appreciation for earth sciences in a way that's easy to understand. Clear, step-by-step instructions empower young scientists. They can confidently explore and discover, focusing on the pure joy of hands-on learning. We are committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, ensuring a stellar experience every time. What we like. This kit offers an incredible number of activities, ensuring endless hours of scientific exploration. It allows for multiple experiments, making it perfect for sharing with friends or family. If you're looking for a comprehensive introduction to earth sciences with plenty of hands-on fun, this is the one. What people say. The experiments are easy to follow and the results are impressive. My kids love doing these experiments, they learned a lot and had fun. Great value for money, provides hours of entertainment and education. Number 4. 4M7 Crystal Growing Science Kit. Unleash your inner scientist with this exciting crystal growing kit. It provides everything you need to conduct 7 amazing crystal growth experiments right at home. This kit comes with all the necessary materials to get started. Simply use hot water, and you'll be on your way to creating beautiful crystal formations. Once your crystals are fully grown, you can proudly display them. A special case is included, perfect for showcasing your stunning scientific creations. This is an ideal gift for young science enthusiasts, especially those fascinated by geology. It's a hands-on way to explore the wonders of the Earth. Don't worry about complicated steps. Complete instructions for each experiment are included, making the process straightforward and enjoyable for everyone. Recommended for ages 10 and up, this kit offers a fantastic STEM learning experience. Challenge your child's imagination and foster a love for science. What we like. This set focuses on the fascinating world of crystal growing, offering 7 distinct experiments. It even includes special display cases to showcase the beautiful results. If your child is particularly interested in geology and loves creating beautiful specimens, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The experiments are easy to follow and the results are impressive. My kids love doing these experiments and learned a lot about science. Great value for the money, provides hours of fun and learning. Number 3. National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set. Prepare for 10 astonishing science experiments that will amaze your kids. They'll learn to make a coin float, change watercolors, and create instant snow. Each experiment is designed as a magic trick, complete with a magic wand and gloves. It's the perfect blend of fun and education for aspiring magicians. Our unique guide features easy-to-follow, illustrated instructions. It also reveals the science behind the magic and includes fascinating facts for curious minds. No need to search for extra supplies. This kit provides all the necessary tools for every experiment, ensuring the fun starts right out of the box. From the creators of award-winning educational toys, this set encourages learning, imagination, and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with our US support team. What we like. This kit transforms science into magic, with 10 experiments designed to be performed as dazzling tricks. It comes with a magic wand and gloves to help kids put on a show. If you have a child who loves performing and wants to impress friends and family with magical science, this kit is perfect. What people say. The experiments are easy to follow and the results are impressive. My kids love doing these experiments, they learned a lot about science. Great value for money, provides hours of fun and educational activities. Number 2. National Geographic Chemistry Set. Ignite your child's passion for discovery with this exciting science kit. They'll have hours of fun exploring fizzy and bubbly reactions, just like a real scientist. With 45 incredible experiments, your child can build and erupt a volcano, create a geyser, and launch a rocket. Each activity is designed for maximum fun and easy execution. Our kit includes kid-friendly instructions with clear illustrations for every step. They'll also gain fascinating insights into the chemical reactions they're creating. This kit provides a hands-on introduction to the scientific process and fundamental chemistry concepts. It's a fantastic stepping stone for future STEM success. We are committed to providing high-quality educational toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. With a total of 45 experiments, this kit provides a broad range of exciting chemical reactions, including volcanoes, geysers, and rockets. It's designed to teach fundamental chemistry concepts through engaging, hands-on activities. If you want a kit that offers a wide variety of explosive and dynamic chemical reactions, this is a great option. What people say. This is a great kit for young scientists. It comes with everything you need to do a variety of experiments, and the instructions are clear and easy to follow. My kids loved this science kit. They were able to do several experiments on their own, and they learned a lot about science in the process. This is a fun and educational gift for any child who is interested in science. The experiments are engaging and the results are impressive. Number 1. UNGLINGA 70 Lab Experiment Science Kit. Ignite your child's curiosity with this exciting science kit. It offers hours of fun and encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills, just like a real scientist. Explore a world of discovery with 70 incredible experiments. From erupting volcanoes to growing crystals, each activity is designed to be engaging and fun. Our kit includes a clear, illustrated manual that makes every experiment easy to follow. It also provides fascinating insights into the science behind each reaction. This kit is designed for STEM learning, allowing children to experience the scientific process firsthand. They'll gain a fundamental understanding of basic scientific concepts in a safe and engaging way. We provide high-quality, educational toys that are both fun and safe for children. All included ingredients are child-friendly, ensuring a worry-free learning experience. Looking for a unique birthday gift? This science kit is a fantastic idea for girls and boys who love to explore and learn. It's a gift that keeps on giving with endless scientific adventures. What we like. This is the ultimate science exploration kit, boasting an impressive 70 different experiments covering a wide array of topics like crystals, volcanoes, and circuits. It encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills. If you're looking for the most extensive and varied science kit available to keep young minds engaged for a long time, this is the one. What people say. The experiments are easy to follow and the results are impressive. My kids love doing these experiments and learned a lot about science. Great value for money, provides hours of entertainment and educational fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.